Hey traders, welcome back. It is the end of the week, first week of September 24, and just doing my weekend review here. So things have been really down the past week. Nvidia, in my account at least, took a huge nosedive. It was up, around 108, 109, and dropped down to as low as 101. And my cost on this is 129, so I'm kind of holding the bag here a little bit, but I was able to still do some trading on it. But looking overall, like if I look at my account all time, if I look over here, down 9.59%. In July, I was up 11.81%. So I mean, the market's been going through some wild swings. It went way down in August, hasn't quite gone down that far yet, but they say September's a tough month for stocks, so kind of finding out some of that. So as far as trades, I had this trade on I had a call on AI that expired. I had 200 shares, but I only did 100 on this trade, so I collected $47. Ended up buying to close that at 103. And then I had in September also done another covered call trade on this, then I did a buy to close, same thing, collected $40, bought it back for 103. And then I had this Nvidia, was selling a call at 129. I was able to collect $32 for that, and that expired, so that's good. It's kind of gone down so far now that trade options sell call, and if I go up to my cost, which is 129, I mean there's just nothing there, so I'm going to be holding this for a little bit. I mean, I could make $5, so I might just do that just to put it in play. But I also did I sold a put on this at 105, and this was going to expire yesterday, but the market went way down to like 101, so I ended up I was going to be assigned this. I didn't want to be assigned at 105. I kind of thought I was going to go down more. I kind of thinking there's like a level here that it's been at, and the market makers are maybe holding off until maybe Monday to see when all the retail guys are gonna dump it, and then the price will drop again, and they'll be able to buy it up. So I'm just kind of seeing what would happen there. So I ended up rolling this out. Original trade I collected 75. Cost me a lot, 261 to buy it back. So then I was able to roll this down to $99 from 105 and out to the 20th and collected 308. So I was able to collect a little more premium there. So that's good. It buys me some time and lets me let the stock go down. If it goes down past that, I'll be super happy to buy another 100 shares in that. That'll reduce my average cost, from 129 to somewhere in the middle of 129 to 99, like 117 or so. So that'll be really good. Again, I've collected AMZ 460 and VDY 299. So with all the premium I've collected right now, it puts me up close to $1,000 a month in income from this account. But overall, with the market down, I mean, like I showed you, my account overall in my portfolio is down quite a bit, so I'm hoping this is going to come up, the next few months and get back to where it was, where I was up 10, 11%. I've been playing around with these round hill covered call ETFs. This one is XDTE, which is the based on the S&P 500. It's a zero DTE covered call strategy that they use to generate income, and these pay out weekly. So let's see, I've got my cost here is $51.35. It's down a little bit to $50.14, but these have held their NAV pretty good from what I've seen. Now I did collect a dividend for when I had I think I've got 3 shares now, but I did receive a dividend on 2 shares, which is $31.19 per share. So to extrapolate that out, I've got 2 shares, and this week I collected $31.19. If I had 2,000 shares, times 0.3119, I'd make 623.80, and that's a weekly payout. So times 4 is roughly $2,500 a month. So if I had 2,000 shares, 2,000 shares at $50 is like 100,000 times 50, $100,000. And if I had 2,500 a month times 12 is 30,000 a year. So you got to pay tax on that, but not bad to just invest 100,000 in this and have it generate 30,000 a year. Not to say that you're going to get this every week, but just extrapolating based on the evidence I have so far in my account. So I'm just playing around with these and seeing what they do, seeing if NAV erodes. I have noticed that I've got these other yield max funds. The AMZ has definitely eroded from my cost of 22 to 18. So I'm definitely down here. I am collecting premium though, so monthly. So I think once my premium catches up with the amount that I'm down, I'll have broken even. I might just want to dump this. You're almost better off, like I've seen, just investing in the stock. So same with NVDY, although that did pay out quite a bit. The NVDY paid out $1.35 per share. So if you had 2,000 shares of that, that's $2,700 per month. Anyways, same deal. I'm down on NVDY based on NAV erosion. The market's been down overall, so hopefully overall these will go back up. This is paying out over $1, so that's kind of nice. I'll be able to recoup any downside here with, so-called dividends. AMZ, I'm not so sure. We'll see what happens. Amazon's, of course, a great company. I work in IT and I work with their cloud systems, and they make a lot of money and they're not going anywhere. So I'm pretty confident in Amazon itself. But these covered call funds, I've been experimenting with these yield max on a larger scale and experimenting with these others on a smaller scale. So that's kind of it for that. So I haven't added anything to this account for the last few months. All the cash I've had available in my emergency fund, I've kind of put into buying carpet and paint and appliances for this condo I got selling. But I should be able to net, almost $300,000 from that, around $285, I think. And I'll just dump all that in here. So when I have that, hopefully I'll have like $300,000 to invest in, scale this up. So if I made $951 on the amount of money I have here, I can make 10 times that. So hopefully that will close soon. Find a buyer. I did have a buyer, but it fell through. But the rates are coming down, so I know I'll probably get a buyer pretty soon for that. And go from there. I hope you got some value out of this video. If you want to learn about options, make sure to check out my course. There'll be a link below in the first comment. And that's it for now. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.